Austin from Jumprope, and today I'm going to be sharing a couple of ideas for fashion videos that you can make using our app. I'll start with the most common type of fashion video that we see on Jumprope, which is the 5 or 10 ways to style X clothing items. So whether that's a leather jacket or your favorite pair of jeans or a pleated skirt, you can share different outfit ideas for how you would style one piece in multiple ways. And these are pretty easy to film. All you need is some good lighting and a blank backdrop where you can model your outfits quickly for the camera, and you can create some really fun and engaging fashion videos this way. Another type of fashion video that you can create is a styling tip or hack video. So for example, one of my favorite types of videos to watch is one where I learn something and learn a new way to style a piece of clothing. So I've seen videos about how to tuck a sweater into a sports bra to make it cropped, or how to cuff your jeans depending on which kind of shoes you're wearing with them, and those things are really, really helpful for people as they're putting outfits together. Another idea that would do really well on Jumprope is creating a how to shop for X clothing item. So whether that is jeans or even a wedding dress, or how to find the best vintage pieces. You know, people love hearing these shopping tips, and knowing what to expect before they go into a store can save someone a lot of stress. Another category that lots of people, myself included, could probably use help with is organizing your clothing at your home. So whether that's how to best kind of fold and organize your clothing, or how to do a closet clean out if, you know, there's too many things in there. And those kind of videos are super helpful and make people feel so much better once they know where to find everything and what the best systems are for keeping their closets organized. The last video that I have to suggest is outfits for this occasion. So whether that's outfit ideas for a graduation or a job interview or a bridal shower or any kind of major events that you have in your life, it's always helpful to get some tips and tricks and guidance about what to wear for those special occasions. I hope you got some great ideas about fashion content that you can create on Jumprope, and if you have any other questions, send us a DM on Instagram. I can't wait to see your fashion videos on the app.